Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Sequoia hood, easy method. Reach behind the grille with your fingers, press the secondary latch toward the passenger side, and lift the hood slowly while supporting the weight with your free hand. If the hood resists, wiggle the latch gently while lifting. Always keep your face and hands clear of pinch points and wear gloves for better grip and safety. After releasing the hood, inspect the latch area to ensure safe operation. Use a flashlight to look for corrosion, dirt, or a stretched cable that could prevent proper opening. Clean the latch with a rag and apply a light spray lubricant to moving parts to restore smooth action. Test the release a few times from inside the cabin to confirm consistent operation before closing the hood for good. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more tips. Quick recommendation. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It adds hands-free music and voice controls while you work on your Sequoia and keeps podcasts coming when your hands are greasy. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Once the hood is free, lift it until you can access the support prop rod easily from the right side. Snap the rod into its designated hole or slot to hold the hood open securely while you work. Double-check that the hood sits stable and will not fall if bumped. Use an additional support if needed for extra safety. Keep tools and parts organized to avoid debris falling into the engine bay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.